Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. But why am I wearing a sweater in like the first week of September? I don't know about you guys, but I feel like the minute it hit September 1st, it's almost like summer just ran away. Like she just left. She didn't say bye to anyone. Summer was literally out. Like obviously it's still warm, but I feel like there's a little chill in the air now. So I've been wearing a sweater these past couple of days because I'm actually feeling a little cold. But I'm also excited at that. Like I don't like winter like that, but I love some good fall weather. So obviously the title of this video kind of gives away what this vlog is about, but I'm going to Philly for the weekend, which I'm excited about because I've never been to Philly, and I'm visiting one of my close friends. Her name is Miriam. So we met in undergrad, and she's definitely one of my favorite people that I met in school. Like she is just bomb. Her personality's bomb. I mean, obviously you guys will see her in this vlog. I've actually put her in a vlog like a few months ago. I don't know if you remember. If you don't, you'll see her again this weekend. But right now we don't know if we're leaving tonight or tomorrow. So tonight is Friday, and she's actually coming up to New York for the day because her best friend's birthday dinner is this weekend, I think. So we're either gonna drive back together to Philly tonight, or we're gonna just leave really early in the morning depending on how tired she is. So regardless, I have to kind of pack and everything because I haven't done any of that at all, just because this isn't like a week-long trip. It's obviously just a weekend, so I feel like I don't have as much to pack. So I don't know, the pressure is not, it's not forcing me right now. It's not, I haven't been motivated to pack, but I'm gonna do it now. And that's literally why I picked this camera up, because I was like, if you have to vlog this, you're gonna be forced to hurry up and pack. So I did at least kind of start trying to prepare. Like I didn't fully leave everything last minute, so I was making a packing list yesterday just so if I did pack last minute today, it wouldn't be too overwhelming. And for once, my packing list is pretty short. I pretty much just put necessities. I even picked my outfits out ahead of time because I didn't want to take a bunch of clothes just for a weekend trip. So I was very on top of it. I'm very specific this time. I feel like my bag is going to be really light because I'm that type of person. Even if it's a 2-day trip, I will always overpack because the minute I don't, I leave everything behind. But this time, I'm prepared. Okay, I'm back now. So like I mentioned, I try to pick out my outfits because I really didn't want to overpack for a 2/3 day trip. So I decided to pick outfits out. I'm gonna try them on, but so far this is my thought process, you know. So for the daytime tomorrow, I'm thinking about maybe wearing this Jacquemus top. I had this in a couple of vlogs ago, and then it's the backless top that I bought from them. And then I also have this denim blue Zara skirt. So I feel like this is a really nice casual summer day outfit. So this weekend is supposed to be like in the 80s, like mid 80s, so it's gonna be pretty warm outside. So I figured this is the time to wear some of my summer outfits that are maybe more expensive, or maybe that I haven't worn as much, because I'm probably gonna have to pack them away for an entire year. So we're gonna get used out of this. So we might also do like a dinner. I don't know if it would be a nice dinner, if it would just be something at night. Regardless, I wanted to put together a cute nighttime outfit. So this top I've never worn. I also showed this in a few hauls ago. So this one is from Shein, one of the few things that I bought from them in a really long time, because I don't really like to shop from there anymore, but once in a while I take a peek, you know. But I remember looking at this shirt and thinking that it made absolutely no sense, but when I put it on, it actually kind of fits you nicely. It just looks really weird when you're not wearing it. So this is a maxi cream color skirt. I wore this in one of my vlogs with a Jacquemus top, actually. I think I had like pictures in it and everything. So yeah, I definitely wore it a little differently because you're supposed to crisscross this across your waist, so it kind of creates like this nice shape. But because of the way the top was, I couldn't really do that. So I felt like this green top would allow me to fully maximize this maxi skirt. So for the last one, it's more like a backup outfit. It's not really an outfit. It's really just in case we do something Sunday morning, because I don't know what time I'm leaving on Sunday, and I don't want to only take outfits for Saturday and then not have anything to do maybe Sunday morning. So this is a very basic bodycon dress that I bought for Ghana last year, and I pretty much, yeah, haven't really worn it in a long time just because it's so basic. It's not like the first thing I usually pick up, so I thought it would be the perfect backup outfit in case something last minute or simple or casual comes up. So yeah, we're gonna do this. It's from Motel Rocks. I actually like the brand. I feel like they have pretty cute stuff. So yeah, these are my 3 outfits. So I have more than enough for Saturday. I even have an extra one. And I'm also gonna take a workout outfit. So I'm either taking the train or the bus back to New York. I haven't figured out which one yet. But regardless, whenever I'm taking any kind of long form of transportation, I like to be comfortable. So I'm most likely gonna just take a workout outfit. Probably wear it there too, and then change when I get there. And then wear that same one when I'm coming back, so we could save some space, you know. So I thought it would be easiest to first put everything out on my bed. That way I'm just putting everything straight into my hand luggage. So I just have like the clothes that I'm wearing. I have a sweater too, just in case it's chilly in the morning. I'm taking maybe only one bag, probably my Jacquemus, just because that's like the bag I feel like I get the most use out of, and I don't really want to take too many things, and I feel like it matches a lot of my outfits. And here I just have my pajamas, underwear, bras, little things like that in this packing cube that I got from TJ Maxx a long time ago. I have these Chloe sandals that again I want to wear before the summer ends. I have a clean towel to pack. So yeah, these are pretty much all the clothes related things that I'm packing, aside from one pair of sneakers as well. So we're just gonna pretend like my desk isn't a huge mess right now, but I just have my makeup all packed in this little bag here that I got from TJ Maxx. I also got this bag from TJ Maxx a while ago too, and I'm just putting toiletries in here. And then eventually I'm gonna pack like my camera stuff, but not right now. And then in this little bag I just have my like hair ties, sunglasses, jewelry, little things like that. So the only other thing that I have to pack is my skincare and like my laptop, camera, stuff like that, which I'm not doing till probably close to when I'm leaving anyway. So yeah, I feel like I could actually start packing now. Finally finished packing. It actually took me a little longer just because I was like, you know what, let me try my outfits on. I don't always try outfits on before I pack them. I have faith and hope that it works out for the best, but something told me to try some of them on, and I did not I wasn't feeling the vibe. I was like, thank goodness I tried this on, because I would have been really upset if I was stuck with an outfit that I didn't like for an entire day. So yeah, that took a little while, but we came up with something different. But yeah, I'm pretty much done packing besides the things I'm gonna use tonight. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So I really want to clean my room, because when I come back on Sunday, I don't want to have to do everything from the weekend in one night. That's just gonna be that's gonna make my anxiety go up. So I'm just gonna try to clean as much as I can today. I'm gonna clean my bathroom, I'm gonna clean my room, and pretty much get everything together, so when I come back on Sunday, I have nothing to do but edit pretty much. So I will see you all most likely tomorrow when we're in Philly. Look who it is! Oh my gosh, she's so cute! We're at a rest stop.
Picture rest stop.
Yeah, we're like halfway. What you said?
I don't know what state we're in.
I think we're in Jersey. Yeah, we're in Jersey. But so we're getting Starbucks.
Yes, we are.
Buying this. All right, the lighting is really awkward because it's the morning time and the sun is kind of coming in right now. But Mariam just ran back in to grab something, but we're pretty much like halfway to Philly. We're in Jersey right now. We're kind of figuring out what plans to do, or like what we should do. We really want to get dinner at this spot, but right now it's saying that you have to reserve like 2 weeks in advance. So we're hoping we could find a good dinner spot. It's also a restaurant week in Philly, so it's probably going to be really hard to reserve any restaurants because we didn't do it ahead of time. So hopefully today's going to be good. Yeah, we're pretty much just going to go with the flow, like really just chill vibes this weekend. She just had a big exam for med school, so I'm just hoping we could chill so she could de-stress and not have to worry about school. But yeah, hopefully the rest of this ride will be really quick. Oh my god, look at Miriam's room. So we're finally here. We're gonna do a little room tour because she was lying and saying her room is not done, but
it's not.
I'm gonna show y'all how nice her room is. She gave me permission, by the way, to vlog this. But look at the place. Oh my god, first of all, I love the mirror. Thank you. This mirror is so cute. Cute little prayer mat too. I'm gonna steal this. But yeah, cute. And then her little bathroom. And then she also has a walk-in closet. Like, who is she? Let's turn the light on. She also has a walk-in closet. So cute. But yeah, it's so cute. I literally love this room. It's literally so nice. And then this is the rest of her apartment. She still gotta put some artwork up, but isn't it so cute? I love this. You better live here forever. Literally. Like, I'm gonna come here every other month.
There were posters everywhere, like, kill them, when you see them, kill them. They gotta
She's talking about red lantern flies, by the way.
Yeah.
To kill them when you see them because they're invading Philly. So public service announcement.
PSA, literally.
Not her having a gym here. I'm actually moving to Philly, guys. Just letting you know. Make room for me, Miriam.
There's room.
I'll sleep on your floor.
You sleep on my bed.
Facts.
I'll sleep on the couch.
Yeah, we're about to go make chicken and pasta.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go out later. So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. So welcome to Cooking with Miriam. So we need to pick our seasonings for our chicken breast. So garlic powder, right?
Of course.
Like we have to do that always. Oh, basil, since this is like Italian, like, you know. We definitely need, we could do red pepper flakes. What do you think? Or black pepper at least. Yeah, black pepper, paprika, just for the color. Oregano. I think that's good. Oh, and then the seasoned salt.
Yes.
Definitely that. We definitely need that. So this is the final product. She did amazing. This looks gourmet. So we got some spicy, well, this is not rigatoni technically, but the same concept, you know, and some grilled chicken. So we're about to go out for ice cream. So I ended up putting on the outfit that was supposed to be a backup outfit, but I just got my period today, so I don't really feel like wearing anything cute. So we're throwing on the bodycon dress, even though I should not be wearing bodycon because I'm very bloated right now. But you know, we're gonna make it work. But yeah, super casual. And then I have these Gucci sunglasses that I got from the Real a few months ago. So yeah, and Miriam is getting ready, so she's literally hiding. But when she's done, we'll do an outfit of the day. Miriam.
Oh, hey.
We're out to get ice cream right now at Surreal Creamery. They have them in New York.
They do.
I haven't had it yet, but it's crazy that I'm trying it in Philly, not New York, but
Should be fun.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, I'm not a hiding girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. You don't hold no right. Yeah. Good against villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass fly. Catch up with around me, nigga. Ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my folk goddamn. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they waiting for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time what it kill. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real, no lie. You can tell that from my peers right now. Bitch, you wanna fuck me now. Bitch, you wanna love me down. You can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freak a nigga, show me something. She got like it on me something. Push it on the pussy like a button. Keep more time, fake time, still getting ready in the function. Put this on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit bumping, jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's our peace. Got a captain to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she's
I wait. So this is our outfits. So we'll do yours. So she has this little outfit that I helped put together. She has a little tie-dye top. And then we also have like orange accents, which I think literally makes it perfect.
Thank you, thank you.
Orange bag. She's gonna wear black heels. You look very cute.
Thank you, you too.
So I have this green and cream color top. I match it with this beige maxi skirt. And then I'm wearing my Chloe sandals and a white bag. And then I also have gold hoops, gold jewelry, and a green hair tie.
She knows how to get it done.
I do. So our Uber is 1 minute away, so we'll see you at the restaurant.
Okay.
is like 8 a.m. right now on a Sunday, and it's gloomy. But Mariam and I are about to get breakfast before I head back to New York. So we're going to this cafe. I think it's called Sabrina's Cafe, right? Yeah, Sabrina's Cafe is this cute little spot here in Philly, so I'm excited to try it.
It's me.
It's Mariam. Oh my god, doesn't she look so cute?
Stop.
You look like such a student.
I look like a little kid.
This is our future doctor right here.
It is me.
So everyone send her prayers and luck.
Please, thank you.
Yes, she's studying today. She's studious. But yeah, we're gonna get breakfast now. But thank you for letting me stay with you this weekend.
Of course, thanks for coming.